Science, please!
It's no fun being cold. Unless you're a roast beef. In that case, you belong in the refrigerator.
A fridge produces cold because a compressor, a motorized pump, circulates a cooling liquid, a refrigerant, through a bunch of pipes. When it comes into the fridge, the refrigerant is a liquid, but it quickly transforms into a gas by absorbing the heat that's in the fridge. That's what makes it cold. Then, the gas is sucked out by the compressor and pumped to the outside of the fridge, where it releases its heat and becomes a liquid again. And the cycle continues.
Without a fridge to keep leftovers in, we'd have to clean our plates at every meal or dispose of the food in secret. The fridge keeps everything we put in it nice and fresh.
Boo. Super cool.